In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on this Cadillac SRX. Let's get into it. Disconnect the connector. There's a little lock tab. Just slide that up and then push down, and you can slide the connector off. Using a T20 socket, we'll take these two screws out. And grab the sensor, and it slides right out. And take the new sensor, line it up, put the screws in. Get those both started. Now snug those down. Just snug, not too tight, because you're tightening into plastic, so you don't want to strip it. Just snug, that's good. Take the connector, lock it down, and then push down on the lock.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.